What's up, sexy welding people from YouTube? How you guys doing? Welcome back to another video from Captain Manny, el mero mero, sabor ranchero. My gosh, I love the mother. So like I mentioned in my last video, guys, I was gonna talk about my truck and what I did to my truck. So you might see all this stuff right here. Might wondering what happened. All right. So without further ado, guys, let's get to it. All right. Okay, YouTube. So this is what DF looks like. This is from the brand called Pick. I will go to the store, spend like 12 bucks or so, and I will put it in the DF tank, which is on my truck. It's next to the diesel tank, so I always put it right there. Some trucks have it in the front, like Chevrolet. But after I delete my truck, I'm no longer gonna need this DF solution, which is pretty much ammonia and water. So adios DF, I don't need you no more. Get out of here. Bye. Bye, puto. Alright. So why did I delete my DEF and DPF filter? Well, I think all this global warming is a hoax, alright? It's a hoax. So I said to myself, well, my truck is saying that I need to take it to the dealer to get this DPF filter clean. So I was like, nah, probably just deleted it and make my truck last longer, make it sound better, and make it better fuel mileage on my truck. So it was no braining, guys. And then I saw these YouTube videos saying that people deleting this truck, it's better. And then global warming is just a hoax. And if you don't believe me, then
with the global warming and that, a lot of it's a hoax. It's a hoax. I mean, it's a money-making industry, okay?
So with that in my mind, I was like, well, yeah, it's true. Probably just a money maker, because to replace this filter right here gonna cost me a lot of money. So I'm not rich. I'm not a real welder yet. So I was like saying to myself, so I will make my truck run better with all this pipe, this DPF filter right here. All the DEF that I show you that I was paying for will go into this DPF filter. We'll get some in there and make it look like instead of all the black smoke coming out of this pipe, you will see like no smoke at all, or will be white, and that smell of the ammonia, man, that ammonia smell, it's terrible, terrible, terrible news. So that's why I deleted it, guys. Now, guys, I don't know, this is just me or but my truck smells like a diesel truck for real now. Not that it wasn't a diesel truck, but every time I would turn on my truck before, it will just smell like ammonia or something like that. I didn't like the smell at all. Damn. So I don't know if it's me. I like the diesel smell, guys. I mean, I don't know. I don't know if somebody out there also like the diesel smell, but I do like it. It smells good. I guess maybe I was used to it since a little kid. That's why I like it better than the ammonia smell. But all right, guys. So I'm gonna show you all the parts that they took from the engine. I paid somebody to do this delete kit. I know you can do it yourself. There's some tuning that you have to do. It's not just taking the parts out, but me, I just paid somebody to do it. So they took all the parts out and they tuned the truck. All right, so I'm gonna show you all the parts that they took out from the truck. So this thing right here, probably show you some pictures, but this thing was like, it used to be right here, right there, and then this pipe will go across right here like that, and also this thing right here will go like right in there. So all these parts, they came out from the engine. All right, guys, so I'm gonna start my truck so you guys can hear how it sounds like. Hopefully you can hear. diesel smells so good. I wish that you guys can smell that diesel, but there's no way. But the welding people from YouTube, today's video was about my DPF delete. Super excited to have my truck like that. Super happy. As you can see, there's a bunch of parts that we took out. It's like a 200 pounds, 300 pounds reduction weight on my truck. Better mileage, more power, sounds better, engine gonna last longer, hopefully, and everything's perfect, 100%. Oh my gosh, I love the motor. All right, so stay tuned for more videos from Captain Manny. My next video, guys, probably gonna install this part that I ordered that kind of complements what I did, and I always wanted to do this on my truck. Also, my next video I'm gonna be explaining. A lot of people ask me why I buy a Ram, not a Ford or a Chevrolet. So stay tuned for that. My next video I'm gonna tell you guys why I choose Ram over Chevy and Ford. And that's it. Next video, guys, we'll install a new part on my truck and we'll talk a little bit about why I choose Ram. All right. So stay tuned for more videos from Captain Manny. I hope you guys like this video. Hopefully you guys share it with your friends. Make sure you subscribe and make sure don't forget to add the bell so you can get notifications when I upload new videos. All right. So, all right, that's it. I'll see you next time, guys. Stay safe out there and keep welding. All right. Adios.